first, I'm going to be starting with my Morphe 25B palette. We are going to be starting with a transition color, so I'm going to color right here as my transition color. For a darker color, I'm going to be taking this shade right here. Next, I'm going in with a darker color. I'm going to be taking this color right here. Next, I'm going to be taking a even darker color, and I'm going to be taking this color right here. Different brush, and taking a even darker color that and applying it. Now I'm going to be taking my Maybelline concealer. I'm taking this bright pink. We're gonna take this I am going to be taking the Fenty Beauty foundation in the color 300. It is a little bit dark, but I like the finished look it gives. It's very tan. Before foundation, I'm going to be spraying my Mario Badescu skincare. Now I'm going to be using the same Maybelline Fit Me concealer that I used for cutting my crease. Next, I'm taking my favorite loose powder, Airspun. Now I'm taking the Kat Von D Beat Up Shade and Light palette, and I'm going to be taking the arounds of this and just contouring with that. Then I'm going to top it with this different toned bronzer. Then I'm going to take the Tarte blush in Party. Now for the final step would be lipstick, but I'm going to be applying Carmex first. I'm going to be making a lip combo between the Anastasia liquid lipstick in Sepia and the NYX Lip Tease lipstick in Fire Dancer. Well guys, this is my final look and I hope you guys enjoy this video, and honestly I'm okay with the turnout of it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you enjoyed, please give it a thumbs up and yeah, like and subscribe to my channel, and as always I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.